Hi, I'm Mike Zaragoza, and I run a genetics research laboratory at UCI School of Medicine.
And I'm Anya Grosberg, and I run a biomedical engineering laboratory at the UCI School of Engineering. And we're going to be talking today about a collaboration project where we have patients that Mike recruited. Do you want to?
And so these patients have a very severe inherited heart disorder due to mutations in a gene called laminase C. So using these patients' cells, we were able to develop a stem cell-based model, and then in Anya's laboratory,
we are able to actually take these individual cells and build heart tissues that we can test the same as though they came from a heart of these patients, and we can now study and have a platform to understand the mechanics of the disease that these patients have. So we hope that this talk will educate people about the capabilities of such a collaboration and such platforms, and serve as a call to action of what needs to happen to really impact heart disease and to mend a broken heart.
yes, thank you.